Right, very good morning. So you might be clippity clop behind us. Well, I've got two horses with one's brown and one's white. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to video this. They're beautiful animals.
Thank you.
Enjoy the ride. Which are they? Are they from stables round here?
Yeah, we're just towards Titby.
Titby, right? Okay. Yeah, it's a nice sunny day, so you'll have a good one. Yeah, so Titby is the next village over from me. Yeah. Clippity clop. Right, so the sun is out and the morning is crisp. But majestic horses in front of us. Yep, oh, there they are. Just so you can see them again. But yeah, there's two ladies out this morning. Sometimes you see a gentleman out on the horse as well. But yeah, even the car's slowing down, right down. That's it. Good man, good man. And there's his car. But yeah, I mean, I've done a few videos, a couple of promotions as well, and let's hope that I start earning from the products. But thanks for watching anyway.